Assalamu alaikum. Again, we are going to see the specimens for the head and neck and the brain which are present here. Alright, what we can see is that this is the skull vault. This is the skull vault with the diploic vein. This is the dura mater, and the venous sinuses. The impression of the superior sagittal sinus is present in the two layers of the dura mater. This is the Fox cerebri. This is tentorium cerebri, which is the cerebelli, which is the horizontal part that divides the cerebrum from the cerebellum, and this small section is for the tentorium cerebelli. We see that this is the corpus callosum with the genu body and the splenium. This part here is the rostrum of the corpus callosum. Above it is the callosal sulcus. Above it, this is the cingulate gyrus. We can visualize very clearly the part of the brain that is surrounding the central sulcus. This part is called the paracentral lobule. So this is the part of the paracentral lobule. In front are the medial frontal gyri, and behind this part there are going to be the other parieto-occipital and the calcarine sulcus. Alright, here should be the septum pellucidum, which is not shown here. So this is the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. This is the part of the thalamus and the hypothalamus, not shown very clearly. This is the cerebellum with the arbor vitae. This is the cavity of the fourth ventricle, the pons, and then the continuation into the medulla oblongata and the continuation into the spinal cord. This is the frontal sinus, which is present as the when the two diploic tables separate. This is the frontal sinus, the ethmoidal air cells, and this is the sphenoid sinus. And this is the hypophyseal fossa that is present in the middle cranial fossa as the sala turcica. So this is that saddle, which is formed by the diaphragma celli, the hypophyseal fossa, jucum sphenoidale. All of these structures are present over here. So this is the sphenoid sinus. The superior and the middle concas are missing here. This is the only part of the middle concha that we can visualize in this specimen. This is the inferior concha, which is a separate bone. So this is going to be the middle meatus. In here is going to be the inferior meatus. This is the vestibule of the nose with the hair shown over here. Alright, this is the pharyngotympanic tube, eustachian tube, auditory tube. This part, the supraposterior part, is the pharyngeal elevation. This is the pharyngeal recess going downwards. This is the maxilla, the alveolar process of the maxilla with the maxillary teeth. This is the hard palate with the bone showing. This part is the hard palate, and this muscular part is the soft palate. Here we can see the two folds. This is the palatopharyngeal fold, and this is the palatoglossal fold. The palatopharyngeal fold going from the palate towards the pharynx. The palatopharyngeal fold going from the palate towards the tongue. So this is the palatoglossal fold. This is the palatopharyngeal fold. Coming downwards, this is the mandible with the mandibulary teeth, the genioglossus muscle, the geniohyoid muscle, and in the lower part over here we can see that this is the skin, the lowermost part of the skin. So this is the mylohyoid muscle. Here, this part, the movable part, is the epiglottis. Similarly, in this specimen, what we can see is that this is the Fox cerebri and the impression of the dural venous sinus. This is the tentorium cerebri, and this is the cerebelli. This part, the horizontal part. And in this specimen, if we move downwards, the same corpus callosum is seen, the thalamus, hypothalamus, pons. This part is the midbrain. This is medulla oblongata, the arbor vitae of the cerebellum. This is the cavity of the fourth ventricle. All of these structures are seen over here. Then the medulla oblongata is continuing as the spinal cord. This is the sphenoid bone with the hypophyseal fossa, the sella turcica part over here. This is the sphenoidal sinus. Here we can see that this is the nasal septum, which is preventing us from viewing the nasal concus. This is the frontal air sinus. This is the nasal vestibule. The maxilla, the hard palate and the soft palate. Going downwards, this is the pharyngeal recess. This is the genioglossus muscle. This is the geniohyoid, and this is the mylohyoid muscle. The mandible is shown over here. All right.